So retired sprint superstar Usain Bolt wake up another ant's nest by speaking about the upcoming generation of Jamaican sprinters. Listen again to what the big man had to say.
A lot of these athletes, I think it's much easier now for them. When we were coming up, it was a struggle. We didn't get big contracts when we left high school. And I think a lot of the athletes aren't motivated anymore. When they leave high school and they get a big contract, then they're happy with whatever. But when they get to the senior level, now they're not motivated enough and they don't work hard enough to get to the level of you see Bolt, John Blake, Shelley and Fraser, all these guys. So it's all about the work and they need to motivate themselves.
I fully agree with Usain Bolt. He never called no name, but it is an established fact that some of our most talented and promising young athletes in recent years, them dominate champs and even impress at the world junior level. Big sponsors see them as the next big thing in Jamaican sprinting. Them get a nice contract, fat car, nice apartment, some money in the bank, and in short order, the hunger gone, the motivation gone, and by the time you quit, them depend, where are they now? So Bolt might have been wrong with the football career business. But on this one, he's spot on. You realize you're a big man. See, you cause it. And you cause it. The levels that you lift the thing to. The records, the medals, the titles, the money, the fortune, the fame. Is you cause these sponsors to be throwing fat contracts at every Jamaican youth who run a fast time thinking that this will be the next Usain Bolt. Is the next you never look for. Yes. So indirectly, it's you cause it, big man. Yes. You see it? Yes. All right, my boss, you see it.
Sports commentary.